Hey, peace and blessings. Rob YB Youngblood, your LinkedIn locksmith, coming at you with your LinkedIn locksmith tip. I have several pet peeves when it comes to LinkedIn, but the biggest one is when people send an invitation to connect without sending a personalized note. So your LinkedIn locksmith tip is to send a personalized note with every invitation that you send on LinkedIn. Why is this important? Because when you send a personalized note, you set yourself up to have a conversation with the individual that you want to connect with. Now, frankly, when somebody sends a regular connection request, it sounds like they're begging. It's like, please add me to your network, or I want to get connected to you, but they never tell you why. Here's your shot. Send a personalized note with every invitation and tell the person why you want to connect with them. I guarantee you'll increase your acceptance rate and you'll get started with your relationships faster. I'm Rob YB Youngblood, your LinkedIn locksmith, with your LinkedIn locksmith tip. Make sure you're following me on Instagram and LinkedIn. And if you have some questions, shoot me an invitation to connect and make sure you send a personalized note. Be encouraged, be blessed, but most of all, keep the faith. We'll see you soon. Peace.